Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. Have you ever wanted to create awesome videos for your business without any hassle? Well, I've found just the thing. A super easy and free video editor that you can use anywhere. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every step of using this fantastic tool. Let's dive right in. Part 1, let's begin. Imagine making eye-catching video ads for your business effortlessly. With CapCut's intelligent video editor, it's totally possible. This amazing tool can even generate different ad scripts for you to choose from, saving you time and energy. Plus, CapCut offers a bunch of templates designed for business use. Creating your first video ad is as simple as a few clicks. And guess what? You can collaborate smoothly with your team using the TeamSpace Cloud feature. Edit your videos on your computer, phone, or website. Wherever you are, your creativity can shine. Part 2, get started. To start your journey with CapCut's intelligent video editor, you need an account. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Just visit the official CapCut website and hit that sign up button. You can use your Google, TikTok, Facebook account, or any email you prefer. Before start, just hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more of this stuff. Part 3, craft your ad script. Once you're in, it's time to let the magic happen. Ask CapCut to create an ad script for your product or service. Click on the ad script button, type in your product name and its selling points. Let the tool do the rest. Part 4, your media, your way. Now comes the fun part. Add your own media, images and videos that represent your brand. Simply click the plus button and choose where to upload from. Your device, Google Drive, Dropbox, you've got options. You can even pull in content from your CapCut Cloud. Part 5, make it yours. Personalize your video with CapCut's user-friendly editor. Change, add, and adjust, it's all at your fingertips. Incorporate stock media from CapCut's library. Add music, toss in text, captions, and stickers. The possibilities are endless. Part 6, lights, camera, action. Ready to add some pizzazz? Explore CapCut's collection of video effects. Just head to the effects menu, select the effect you like, and drop it onto your scene. You can tweak the effect's duration and placement, making your video uniquely yours. And don't forget to give your scene a touch of flair with a video filter. Part 7, smooth transitions. Seamlessly link your scenes using transitions. In the transition menu, choose your preferred transition style and place it where you want. Hit play to see the magic unfold. Part 8, share your brilliance, the finishing touch. Click that export button, name your file, pick your resolution, quality, frame rate, and format. Hit export, and voila, your masterpiece is coming to life. Download your video or share it on TikTok, or even as a TikTok ad using TikTok Ad Manager. That's it. You're now ready to create dazzling videos for your business with CapCut's easy and efficient video editing tools. Don't waste time. Start crafting your eye-catching content today and watch your business soar. Subscribe our channel for more tutorials and tips to enhance your video marketing game.